And God says, you keep doing that for me, I'm going to keep doing this for you. You made that happen for my house, I'm going to make this happen for your house. You made that happen for my kingdom, I'm going to make this happen for you right now. Somebody say you can't outgive him. So when the people respond, God promises not just forgiveness, and I'm going to hurry here, but he promises them full restoration. Somebody say full restoration. He says, I will restore. Somebody say restore. The word is, in some translations, is compensate. I will compensate to you the years. Don't miss this. I'm going to give to you the years. Don't miss this. Don't miss this. Because when God gives you something, he gives it to you, and it's yours.